Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, taking a minute to go behind the scenes as we install colored PPF on this Cybertruck. We've done a lot of videos. We always talk about the colors, how things look, but let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's different about how T-Sportline installs PPF on a Cybertruck. First thing you're going to notice is our PPF is cut very meticulously to match the Cybertruck here. That's because we use a CNC plotter. This is not anything we cut by hand. So our engineers scan the entire Cybertruck, digitize that file, and then when we created our templates, we designed them to perfectly match exactly what's cut out on the Cybertruck. It's details like that that matter. When we install the plastic trim back over this, you're never going to see any of the stainless peeking out. None of that's cut by hand. It's all meticulously cut CNC. If you come up here, you can see what happens when we take the mirror off. Again, none of this is cut by hand, but this is perfectly covering where the mirror cap goes. We take the mirror off first when we install, and you've got perfect coverage. You're covered up underneath where the window seal goes. And then of course with PPF, we offer the rolled edge. Everything we do when we install is a rolled edge. The vehicle is properly prepped, we clay bar it, and all of these edges are rolled nicely, and you can see on the back side here. Now we move up to the front of this truck, you're gonna notice that we've taken the DRL out. We do that on purpose because to properly roll the PPF underneath the hood and behind the grille, you cannot do that if you leave the DRL in the truck. So we always take it out so we can get behind here and properly clean both this and the bottom of the hood and allow us to roll that edge exactly the way it's supposed to be done so it will never lift. Okay, coming around to the back of the truck, same as the front, you're gonna see this is very precisely cut to match this quarter panel. The door rolled edge, the front of the quarter panel rolled edge. Up here, we use a cut edge. And the reason we do that is you have two pieces of metal that come together, and this gap is going to vary directly from Tesla, and these pieces can move a little bit when the truck's driving. If you were to roll the film in between this edge, when those panels move and touch each other, it's going to damage the film. So the two spots on the truck that we don't roll the edge are right here in this seam, and likewise on the front of the arch, that seam there. And finally, coming around to the back of the truck, same thing, we've removed the taillights. This is so we can properly roll the edge. We also wrap the inside of the corner panel back here with the color so that the whole truck looks right, even when the tailgate is down. From a decal perspective, this Cyber Beast owner opted for a vinyl decal that we put on top of the PPF. And of course, we can put that decal down first, put the PPF or vinyl wrap over it for the embossed, more subtle look. Okay, that's a little behind the scenes on installing PPF on the Cybertruck. Hopefully you like this video. Make sure you call one of our design consultants. We can walk you through transforming your Cybertruck or your Tesla with any color, any kind of film, make it your way. Okay, everybody, drop a comment below. Let me know what color's your favorite. Give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon. We got a lot more content coming your way.